Zanjay here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students. Assalamu alaikum. Sabal khair. Sajahao. Privit. Ji ayanu. Sasrikal. Namaskar. Dear students, today we are going to view the use of modal verb could, or could. Could is a great modal verb. It is used many ways, and in speaking it's commonly used in day-to-day life. Let's start our lesson with the modal verb could and might. We have two modal verbs today, might and could. Could is the past form of can, and might is the past form of could. May. Might is the past form of may, and could is the past form of can. Let's start our lesson with these two modal verbs having great meanings. These are of great importance. अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज हम could और might दो modal verbs के बारे में जानकारी की कोशिश करते हैं और इनसे बनने वाले, इनसे जुटे हुए जुमलों को बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Let's see our lesson up here. The first sentence you see, my students, says she could not avail the chance. She could not avail the chance. She couldn't avail the chance. Could not को मिला के couldn't भी पढ़ा जाता है, बोला जाता है. She couldn't avail the chance. She couldn't avail the chance. She is the subject and is the file, and could is the modal verb. Not is for negative sense. Avail the chance, मौके से फायदा हासिल करना. She couldn't avail the chance. The chance is an object. मौके से फायदा ना हासिल कर सकी. वो मौके से फायदा ना हासिल कर सकी. She couldn't avail the chance. She couldn't avail the chance. वो मौके से फायदा ना उठा सकी. She couldn't avail the chance. वो मौके से फायदा ना उठा सकी. Could is the modal verb, and it's beautifully used in this sentence, and not for the negative sense. She couldn't avail the chance. She couldn't avail the chance. वो मौके से फायदा ना उठा सकी. वो मौके से फायदा ना हासिल कर सकी. Let's see the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is, you see here my students. यहाँ पे देखिए तलबा, नया जुमला जो है, Fahad might avail this chance. Fahad might avail this chance. You see my students, Fahad is a noun and a subject. Might is the second form of verb may. Might is in a past form and may is the first form. And might and may के माने होते हैं मुमकिन है, शायद. So Fahad might avail this chance. शायद फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. मुमकिन है शायद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. शायद फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. फहद might avail this chance. This chance is an object. इस chance means मौका, and avail फायदा उठाना, फायदा हासिल करना. And फहद might avail this chance. फहद might avail this chance. शायद फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. फहद might avail this chance. फहद might avail this chance. शायद फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. May and might are used commonly in spoken phrases, and उर्दू में इनके मानी शायद या मुमकिन के होते हैं. So फहद might avail this chance. मुमकिन है शायद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. मुमकिन है शायद फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. मुमकिन है फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. फहद might avail this chance. We have a subject फहद. फहद might avail this chance. मुमकिन है फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. शायद फहद इस मौके से फायदा उठा सके. Let's see the next sentence. Next statement is, Hamid might win the gold medal. Hamid might win the gold medal. Hamid is a subject and a noun. Might is a modal verb, and win is a verb form. Win is the first verb form, and gold medal is an object. तलाई तमगा इसे कहते हैं, सोने का तमगा या तलाई तमगा। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, शायद हामिद गोल्ड मेडल जीत सके, शायद हामिद गोल्ड मेडल जीत सके। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, शायद हामिद गोल्ड मेडल जीत सके। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, मुमकिन है हामिद गोल्ड मेडल जीत सके। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, मुमकिन है हामिद गोल्ड मेडल जीत ले। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, शायद हामिद गोल्ड मेडल जीत ले। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, शायद हामिद तलाई तमगा जीत ले। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, शायद हामिद तलाई तमगा जीत ले। हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, हामिद माइट विन द गोल्ड मेडल, मुमकिन है हामिद तलाई तमगा जीत ले। You see my students, next statement is Sonia could have started new job. Sonia could have started new job. Sonia could have started new job. You see my students, Sonia is a noun and a subject. Could have is a modal verb. This is a past participle form of could. Could have started. Started is the third form as start. So this is the past participle of could. This is the past participle tense of modal verb could. Sonia could have started new job. Sonia could have started new job. New job is an objective. So Sonia could have started new job. Sonia नई जॉब, नया काम शुरू कर सकती थी। सोनिया नया काम शुरू कर सकती थी। This is the past participle statement. Sonia could have started new job. When we use the modal verb could have, then we have to add, we must add third form of start, past participle form as start, that is started. Sonia could have started new job. Sonia could have started new job. सोनिया नया काम का आगाज कर सकती थी। सोनिया नया काम शुरू कर सकती थी। Sonia could have started new job. Sonia could have started new job. सोनिया नया काम शुरू कर सकती थी। This is the past participle statement and using modal verb could have. So could have started. Sonia could have started new job. Sonia could have started new job. Sonia नया काम शुरू कर सकती थी। Sonia could have started new job. Sonia नया काम शुरू कर सकती थी। This is the past participle statement using the modal verb could have. Let's see the next statement. Next one is Timmy could not buy new books. Timmy could not buy new books. Timmy नई किताबें नहीं खरीद सका। Timmy could not buy new books. Timmy is a subject and a noun. Could is a modal verb. Not is for negation, negative sense, and buy is the principal verb, and new books is an object. So Timmy could not buy new books. Timmy couldn't buy new books. Timmy couldn't buy new books. Timmy नई किताबें नहीं खरीद सका। Timmy couldn't buy new books. Timmy could not buy new books. Timmy नई किताबें नहीं खरीद सका। We have again a negative formation of modal verb could. Timmy could not buy new books. Timmy could not buy new books. Timmy नई किताबें नहीं खरीद सका। Hey my students, these are very important phrases and sentences with the help of modal verbs could have, could and might. We have three modal verbs used in these different sentences: could have and might. Memorize all these sentences. These are commonly spoken in day-to-day communication. I wish you all the best. I will see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.